Hey guys, today we're doing the painted paper sunset collage. Here's my reference photo we're going to be using today. Here is also what it's going to turn out. Hopefully it turns out. Here's some of our materials. Here's our colors we're going to be using, and here's our color chart. We're going to label our sheets of paper the actual colors they are because we're going to paint them with these associated colors. First, we're going to start out with our yellow, and then we're going to move on to orange. Then we're going to move on to our blue, and then we're going to move on to our purple, and then our brown. I don't show the brown here, but we will eventually get to the brown. All right, and we're going to paint them our corresponding colors. So be sure to wash your brush out when you're changing from orange to blue. This prohibits color desaturation. If needed, add a second coat of paint and start with the blue opaque intense color at the top and make a gradient as you move your way down. Allow brush lines to show for more effects of the sky and the mountain. All right, we want to see like lines and stuff like that. So right here, what we're doing is we're cutting half of our first sheet, our fuchsia, almost in half. And we're rounding out the sides because then we're going to use this as the base on top of our white 9x12 color, white watercolor paper. We're going to put our base down there and glue it down there really, really well, because this base is what the rest of our strips are going to be going on top of. And I'll explain what we're going to mean by strips. As you see here, I'm gluing down my base. And you can see where I started with those gradients. It's a deeper blue at the top, and it lessens at the bottom. I have more intense color at the top. It gives you that really good gradient. The rest of the sheets, what we're going to do is just basically tear them. And as we tear them, we want to make sure that before we even glue them down, that we have them arranged in a way that we really want to. And we want to move from color to color to color, all the way down, as I said before. Next, we're going to tear them into strips. As I said here, we want to tear them in such a way that resembles clouds in the sky. Tear them in meaningful ways that exhibits the vibrancy of the colors of the pages. Before gluing and arranging the strips down, make sure you use the fronts and the backs, because you're going to see different color variations that give you the sky that you may envision. And move on to subsequent colors. As I said before, we're going to take the brown and tear it in a regular shape. Tear it in a regular shape that resembles a mountain, and glue it down really, really well. And to complete this look, I took and cut out a little cactus and put a little cactus on there, a little blackbird, anything you want to do to make it look like what this looks like at the end. All right. So I look forward to seeing you soon.